Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Is there anything as cute as watching kittens play? In my opinion, there isn't. So it was so much fun to be able to share the set of 9 kitten toys that I got from Paw Paw Babe with my friend who fosters kittens. Just look how much the kittens love them. They're chasing and chewing and having fun with them, and that is perfect. This comes with 6 cat ball toys with bells inside, and then 3 catnip toys in these adorable little cartoon animal characters. The fabric on these are soft and durable, and the cats just love to kick and chew and try to demolish them, but they're well made, so they're standing up to the abuse. When you have an inside cat, it's so important to have toys that can keep them distracted and busy so that they're not destroying your things. My adult cat is not impressed by many toys, but she did have fun kicking and tossing these around. And when your cats are napping, they're really fun to juggle too. You can't go wrong with this collection of cat toys. Our cats love them, and that's our point of view.